So once you have installed the Visual Studio Code, you will see this screen here. Basically, you have the option to select your themes. And in this case, I'll just go for the dark default theme, and that's it. So what is very important is, let's click this away. We get now here this entire screen, and this screen, the center screen, is called our editor. In here, basically everything happens. What is very important as well is, besides this, we also have here a site that is called our activity bar. This bar here has multiple options, as you can see here, the Explorer, search, and multiple extensions, and you can even connect this to GitHub, which is quite interesting, and then you have here the accounts as well. So what's very important here is, the moment we click on this, what will happen is we get here this so-called sidebar. So this sidebar here allows us to show more options. Very straightforward. What we can do with this is as well to hide it. To hide that, basically what you need to do is you have to go here. Let's see here, we have to go to the view, and then we go to appearance, and then we can select here on showing or hiding the activity bar. So right now it's hidden, and if I go back to view, and you can see here the option, and then what we're going to say here again is the appearance, and we're going to show again the activity bar. Besides that, we have down here is called the status bar. This is very important. The status bar registers basically the issues, but has multiple tabs here as well. So with this, you can quickly see the issues, the output, and you have the debugging option, and of course we can use here a terminal, which is quite nice. This as well, while this is very helpful, we can click again to hide that. We can even hide it as well if we go back to view, and then we go here to appearance, and then we're going to say here our status bar. But I definitely don't recommend that. I always recommend you to keep that on. So we're going back here to view, and then we're going to say appearance, and then activate it again. There we are. So once we have that, and at the very top, and I realize you're not able to see the very top, you have multiple options here besides the view. It's just like a basic menu bar where you can put in many options as well. However, the center here, or this part here, will be the most important to work with.